Brian from JET Performance Products, coming to you today from our headquarters here in Huntington Beach, California. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install the JET Xcelerator on your Toyota truck. Now let's take a look how easy this is to do. Now we're going to show you how easy it is to install the JET Xcelerator on your Toyota application. This is the gas pedal. Obviously we're doing it outside the car, so we have one of our own harnesses simulating what a factory harness looks like. It looks identical to this. To get this off, you're going to push down on the lock and pull it out of the way. Set your factory harness aside. You're going to put the JET harness in between your gas pedal and your factory harness. Plug this in, make sure it locks down. Do the same thing on this end. Now you've intercepted the harness itself. Next you're going to connect the JET controller, the accelerator controller, to the wiring harness. This plugs in at the bottom of the controller. Make sure it locks down. Also a note on these connectors here, they have a small release that you push a button at the bottom to unplug it. Don't just pull on the harness because you'll pull the wires out. Next, the controller plugs in right next to the harness plug. Plug that in also, make sure it clicks down solid. And that's it, your installation is basically complete. With the supplied Velcro or zip ties, you can tie this up under the dash or put it inside your kick panel and Velcro it up to it. This is your controller. It has 4 performance settings, a valet mode, and a security mode that locks the vehicle out so it can't be driven. It's just that simple. Go out and enjoy and have some fun.